Want dynamic photo shuffles on your iPhone lock screen? Let's do it! For this, swipe down from the top left corner to open the lock screen. Next, press and hold on the wallpaper on your lock screen. Now, at the bottom right corner, click on the plus icon. Tap on Photo Shuffle from the options that appear. Again, options will appear. Click on Select Photos manually. Scroll through your photos and select the ones you want to add. After that, look at the top right corner and click on Add. Here, tap on the 3 dots in a circle icon. Now, under the Shuffle Frequency section, click on your preferred option, like On Tap. Tap on Add. Next, click on Set as Wallpaper Pair. Finally, click on Lock Screen to exit edit mode. And that's it. Hit subscribe for more iPhone hacks.